Hi, I'm here today with this Cosco hand cart. I do believe you have these in a couple of different brand names as well, coming from the same factory, but let's unbox this to see what we get here. Let's see what's the easiest way to get this out. Okay, some really nice big wheels there. So that feels quite sturdy, and you have these extra wheels, so you can also flip this over, I think. Let's see if there's a booklet in there as well. So no instructions whatsoever. Okay, so we have to figure this out on our own, it seems. Let's see what we have here. So here's a very large handle with a push button here on the side. Get it a little closer for you guys. A little push button on the side. And let's see if we can flip that open. Here's another push button as well. And fold. It says fold right here. I don't know exactly. Oh, so there's some instructions here on the side of the rim. So to flip this up. How would I flip that up? Let's remove the packaging first, right? So yeah, I need to flip this open. It's locked in place with these two plastic parts. So I can flip this open, and now I have like a nice little trolley that can move around. So the front wheels swivel, and then the back wheels are solid. They don't swivel. So I can just carry this around. You can put quite a bit of stuff on there as well, and then here is the instructions, right? So we can just cut this off here. Cut off the plastic from the back plate here. And here on the side as well. So it's packaged really well, right? And it not having a book doesn't really matter that much, because you just need to unfold it. And instructions are here on the side, so that's quite okay. So I have my cart. I can flip this one up to put stuff on there. Now it's just a little cart, and then let's see. Yeah. Now I have this handle right here. And I can now flip that open, flip that all the way down, flip that in here. And now I have my cart. So it's like there's two stages that you can use this in. Oh, so quite easy to use. And then I can flip that back, I think, as well. Just push this button, move this over to the other side. Then I have my roll cart. So that's quite nice. I can put this down as well. So quite cool. So let me show you up close. So here's my roll cart. Here I have my swivel wheels, which are like a little bit low, a little bit small there, but they swivel. Then these sturdy wheels at the back there, which are quite nice. This is my flap that I can use that with, and with this handlebar, if I push this button, I can flip that all the way down. And now I have my trolley, my hand cart. So the base here is not that wide, so that could be something you could be concerned about. You can put some boxes on there, of course, but nothing too big. Of course, when you're carrying it, you're going a little bit like this, right? So you can definitely put some bigger things on there and then hold them like this. But it isn't too large, so that's something you could potentially not be too happy about. But it's really sturdy, even though it's quite plasticky. I mean, look at how thick that plastic is. So very cool, really recommend.